Hello viewers, today we're going to be refurbishing a Uniden CEZAI998 telephone. I have two base units here. The one on the right we're going to extract some parts from. We're going to take the antenna, we're going to take this the paper thing here, and that'll be it. And we're going to put those parts into this base, which is in much better condition. So the handset is in very good condition, but the antenna is broken. I have the broken piece here, so we're going to attempt to repair that, and we're going to get a new cord because this one's kind of shoddy. So let's go ahead and get started. So this piece has writing on it, and it appears to be in some kind of an ink, so I don't think we're going to be able to get that to come off. So what I'm going to do is I have some white tape here, and I'm going to cut some pieces of tape, and I'm going to put the tape over the names, and then I'm going to make a copy of this, and that should give us a new usable piece. Okay, so now I can go make a copy of this, and I can cut out a new piece here. I thought about scanning this into the computer and kind of editing it digitally somehow, but I think this will be easier just because I really don't have any kind of image editing programs in my computer. Okay, so here's the final product. It's pretty close. My printer has been out of toner for the past several hundred pages, so the print quality isn't the greatest, but I would say that's pretty good, and quite frankly, once it's in the unit, you're not going to tell the difference. So, now that that's done, we're going to get these bases open and interchange the parts I need to interchange and clean the things up, and then we'll do the cordless one. We've got to fix the antenna, and it's really not dirty enough to warrant taking it apart to clean it, but I got to take it apart to fix the antenna anyway, so we'll probably clean this too. It was my understanding that this was a dual band phone, but I'm only seeing one antenna, so I'm wondering if it's not. I certainly hope it's not. But anyways, here's the antenna. Now I'm probably going to clean this one up at some point, but it does not have the mounting bracket, so it's always going to be kind of wobbly and whatever. So I'm not sure if I'll actually use it. So for now I'm going to put this back together and close it up, and maybe someday in the future we'll look at it again. Okay, so we're done with this one for now. Put that aside. And you know, I actually don't remember. I may have a wall bracket for that somewhere. If I do, then we're going to revisit this and we'll refurbish that one. But I'm just not sure if I have it or not. I got that other one for real cheap. And I don't know. I thought I had it somewhere. It probably just disappeared. Anyways, I don't really want to work on two of them in the same day, regardless, so we'll just stick with this one for now, and we'll go back to the other one later on some other time. So let's get this one all taken apart. We'll do a standard cleaning on this one, and then we'll reinstall a new antenna, install this thing, and then we'll be good to go. Move on to the handset. Okay, so here's all the components to be cleaned. This is the biggest, heaviest set of buttons I've ever handled. Probably weighs close to 3 or 4 ounces. Okay, so here's all the components to be cleaned. This is the biggest, heaviest set of buttons I've ever handled. Probably weighs close to 3 or 4 ounces. While those parts are drying, let's get the cordless phone opened up. Alright, so this has been fixed. I have a way that I fix these. It's kind of a secret. We're going to clean the cradle out because it's actually got some junk in there, which is kind of odd considering how clean the handset was. I'm going to clean the 2 dial boards, and then we're going to begin reassembling the telephone. Okay, we're about to wrap this up here. Everything has been cleaned and repaired. This is the piece that was on there over the caller ID thing. This actually still had the plastic on it from the packaging. So I'm going to put this away with the other unit. I took the other unit shield and put it on this. Looking at the 2 side by side, the caller ID label thing is pretty good. I'm quite happy with that. So, I guess what's left is to do the final checkout here. So let's. Oh, I have a new cord for it too, because this one's kind of crummy and dirty. So I got this one here, which is in excellent condition. We're going to use this. Much better now. Let's go ahead and plug this in. And once again, I forgot to. I was speaking. I forgot to power on all the test equipment. Okay, let's get the phone line plugged up here. Alright, let me get this test equipment plugged in here and then we'll do a test call. Okay, let's go ahead and ring this up. What happened? Why did it stop? Oh, it was answering. Well, I don't want it to answer that quickly. Ring time.
Ring time. Ring time. Call fader.
Okay, and then, let's see here. Yeah, whatever. Let's try again.
Mother is low. Mother is low.
Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. It's working. Testing, testing on the other side. 1, 2, 3. Check. Testing, testing. Check. Testing, testing. Check, check. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so that's good. Both transmit and receive. Let's make sure we can dial out here to run through the numbers on the analyzer. And we'll do the cordless. Okay, and we'll just make an outside call to the weather thing, and then we'll be all set.
Good evening. Life is complicated. We're here at peoples.com/insights. Peoples United Bank and a member FDIC. Today is Tuesday. Greetings from Jones Family Farms. This is the Farm Crop Report for the winter, when our farm is closed and we enjoy a bit of a rest, though it be brief, with our farms.
During this time, our farmers are often out in the field, cleaning up around our blocks of Christmas trees, pruning blueberry bushes, or performing maintenance tasks on machinery, and generally preparing for the coming year. If you need to get in touch,
That is really loud.
phone number will be given. The blueberries of June and July, hay rides with pumpkins in October, and of course the Christmas tree season and winery enjoyed by many. We thank you who came, and we look forward to
farm. We will begin on Friday, March 1st, when the winery will reopen for 2019. Initially within Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
And I just want to make sure this is cleared out because I don't want to accidentally hit that. Okay, good. Alright, so that's that. These are cleaned and ready to go. The set came out really nice. Thank you for watching.